Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively in school. First, let's talk about planning. Establishing a consistent study schedule is crucial. Aim for at least 1 hour per subject daily. Break down big assignments into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Setting clear, achievable goals for each study session helps maintain focus and track progress. Prioritize your subjects based on their difficulty and upcoming deadlines to ensure you allocate your time wisely. Next, engage with your material actively. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize what you've learned in your own words. A powerful technique is to teach the concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience, which truly solidifies your understanding. Utilize tools like flashcards and practice questions to test your recall regularly. Always try to connect new information to what you already know, building a stronger mental framework for retention. Your study environment significantly impacts your effectiveness. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Ensure you have good lighting and a comfortable chair to prevent discomfort during longer sessions. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to give your brain a chance to recharge. Staying hydrated and getting adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours, are also vital for optimal focus and memory. Finally, consistent review is key for long-term retention. Regularly revisit past material to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting. Actively test yourself on key concepts and facts, perhaps using practice exams or self-quizzing. Identify any areas where you struggle and dedicate extra effort to mastering those specific topics. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from your teachers or peers. Their insights can highlight areas for improvement and deepen your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.